Tesla demand for Model Y in North America is skyrocketing as delivery times double. Welcome back, friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. A couple of days ago, I reported about a memo that Tesla Giga Shanghai is radically increasing its production at Gigafactory Shanghai. But it looks like similar thing is about to happen in the United States. Tesla sees a surge in demand for Model Y in North America after the price cuts. The next deliveries are scheduled to 4 to 16 weeks, which is twice as much as before the price cuts. Orders for Tesla Model Y in North America are through the roof, as evidenced by the recent increase in delivery times for ordered vehicles. Previously, the delivery time for Tesla Model Y was February, March. For example, if you ordered before early January, before the price cuts were announced, your Model Y would come in sometimes in February, March. But orders placed now will not be delivered until March, May, doubling. Overall, delivery lead times have roughly doubled from 1 to 8 weeks earlier to 4 to 6 weeks now. Delivery times are actually the same for all countries, all counties in the North America, all countries in North America where Tesla sells its vehicles, including US, Canada, Mexico, and Puerto Rico. So it's doubles for everyone in the North America. Strong demand for Model Y followed after Tesla lowered the price of its electric vehicles on January 14. The compact SUV has become especially attractive as its price has dropped from around $70,000 to $57,000 in the United States. One of the most significant factors was that after the price cuts, Tesla Model Y became available for US tax credits of $7,500. In this way, Tesla made the car uniquely attractive to a wide range of consumers and affordable to those who previously could not afford it because of the higher price. Now, not only you get about $13,000 less expensive, but plus you get $7,500 the tax rebate. During the quarter four tax credit actually. During the quarter 4 2022 earnings call, Elon Musk revealed that in January, Tesla saw the strongest number of orders ever received by a manufacturer in its history. About a week ago, the company was getting orders almost twice as fast as it could produce cars. In such a situation, it becomes obvious that the waiting time for delivery has also doubled, and there is a high probability that it will continue to grow along with an increase in the number of orders. I am not surprised that the talks about Tesla Gigafactory in Mexico now are getting even more serious, and the last I heard is that Tesla will soon announce new factory in Mexico, which is apparently said by Foreign Affairs Minister of the country, and it seems that Mexico could be announced as the new location for Tesla's sixth Gigafactory and the car factory. Mexico's Foreign Affairs Minister Marcelo Ebrard said he expects this to happen soon. Meanwhile, Mexico is working to expand its infrastructure and renewable energy suppliers to take advantage of the company relocation, for the company relocation boom, because when Tesla gets there, there will be relocation of the company's boom. Friends, anybody knows how many Tesla chargers or superchargers are in Mexico? Is there any information? Because this is one of the questions that one of you guys asked when I reported about Mexico possible Gigafactory a couple of days ago. Indeed, if we're talking about Gigafactory in Mexico and in Indonesia, and where was the third location? Possibly Canada. How many superchargers are in these countries? Indonesia is a huge market. It's the fourth most populous country in the world. Making a Gigafactory there makes a lot of sense, and I reported about that this morning. Mexico is another great possibility, because if demand is surging in the United States, why not build a Gigafactory in Mexico, where there is a lot of demand that can be developed, especially if Tesla comes up with the new model, less expensive expensive model, which Tesla is going to introduce the Generation 3 platform on March 1st as Tesla Investor Day, I mean, it will make a lot of sense for Mexico to announce a Gigafactory, because in this way Tesla will increase its capacity of production, especially if Tesla has found a way to build cars that are less expensive. It costs less to build. Why not Mexico? Why not increase the production? And if you build less expensive cars, maybe you can surge demand in Mexico and also in South American countries of Tesla vehicles. So let me know your thoughts. What do you think, friends? This is Armen Haryan from TalkNews.com. Give us thumbs up if you found this report useful and helpful. God bless you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.